On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
Good morning, guys. What's up? So today is the first day of Vlogmas, and I'm super duper excited, but I also have a very busy day. So I'm about to get up to go get ready for work. I need to get out of the house at 8:30, so I have about 45 minutes to get dressed and get out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm so excited. It's Vlogmas day 1. Yay. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, I'm fully dressed and I'm ready for work. So today's, like I mentioned, a very busy day because after work I do have somebody's makeup that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I have to take all of my makeup over to her place. Well, not all of it, but like pretty much a lot of it over to her place. So I have that all packed. I packed that last night, which is good because I never have enough time in the morning. Like I'm actually currently 5 minutes late. So not to work, but like my schedule, I'm 5 minutes late. So I'm about to head on downstairs, and I don't know if I'll be vlogging in the car because I don't even use my phone in the car, but we'll figure it out. But anyways, just in case I can't come back, I'm heading off to work. I get off at 5 and I have to be at these ladies' place around like 5:36. So hopefully I can get there on time and I'll be doing her makeup. And yeah, I can't really show you guys my outfit. Let me try. So here's my outfit, guys. Like, so Billy. So here's my outfit. This is just the jacket that I thrifted like a couple of years back. And I think this shirt, I think it's from Sirens. Sorry, this dress is from Sirens. It's like the most amazing dress, the most amazing black dress. It's so versatile and I wear it like all the time. So I currently look like a MAC employee because, you know, I might as well be a MAC employee. But I'm wearing all black and I have like black tights on as well. And I'm going to be putting on my shoes in the car once I'm done driving. I just got out of work. I'm so cold because I just got into the car and I'm still trying to warm it up. But I just got out of work. I'm currently trying to get myself to the lady that I'm supposed to be making up tonight. I'm supposed to be there at like 5:30. The time is currently 5:17. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to get there because I'm going to have to use the map. But work was so nice today, guys. Like, we had a turkey dinner at work. I completely forgot. But we had a turkey dinner at work and it was awkward to film, but I tried. So anyways, yeah, I'm just going to be going over to these ladies' place. God, save me from this traffic. And I'm so bloody tired. Like, today was extra tiring at work for some reason. So I just got home and I don't even know how I'm looking right now because I'm filming on my phone because my camera died. But anyways, I'm about to order in some food because I really cannot cook anything tonight and I don't have anything stored. So I'm about to order in some food, edit this vlog, believe it or not, and put it up. And yeah, anyways, I just wanted to, before I end up this video, because I'm so tired, yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm really excited that I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I decided to do Vlogmas. I should have said this earlier because I should have guessed I wouldn't have time. But I decided to do Vlogmas. I don't know if you guys can really see me. I really don't know what I look like. But I decided to do Vlogmas because, can you count how many times I'm going to say I decided to do Vlogmas? Anyways, I decided to do Vlogmas because I feel like, honestly, I wasn't as consistent as I wanted to be this year. A lot of things happened. My fault, not my fault. Things I could control, things I couldn't control. But a lot of things happened that really took me away from my channel this year. And I felt really bad about that. And not like it's a way to patronize you guys or whatnot. But at the same time, I still felt like I really want to do something like this and put content out here. And I was really inspired by one of my really, like, she's in the top 3 of my favorite YouTubers, and I don't have a lot of people that I watch, but she's not even a makeup artist. She's Evelyn from the internet. I'm going to leave her channel down in the description bar. I was really inspired by Evelyn when she did vlogging every day in April, and I watched, like, I don't know if she did that this year, I don't remember, because I just binge watch her videos. I don't watch them like every time she brings them out. I mean, sometimes I watch like the ones she brings out immediately, but I don't, like, it's not like I'm an avid subscriber in that sense where I always watch the new uploads. But when I decide to watch her channel, like, I really go all in. I watch like every single video. I know at some point, I don't know if it was this year or if it was last year, she did the like Vida filming vlogging every day in April, and I was really inspired by her because she just had like a lot of things to show, and like she was really interesting, and like she didn't do much, but she was interested. So I was like, I want to do something like that on my channel, like not like the regular, you know, blown out vlogs of travels and stuff like that, which no shade, no tea, no shade, no shade, no tea, and no pink lemonade, hunty. But those travel vlogs, I'm like, I want to do those, but at the same time, I still want to do something chilled out and like connect with you guys. So that's pretty much what Vlogmas is going to be this year. Man's aching. But yeah, Vlogmas is just going to be a series of me pretty much hanging out with you guys, gisting with you guys, and taking you guys around my day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I do have a lot of things planned. I actually have a list of things to do every day, so I'm pretty excited about that. But without going too much, because I'm thinking about the fact that I have to edit this video right now. Without doing the most, I will see you guys tomorrow. You have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.